Hey guys, Joe Smith here. Redoing the socket organization system. Got some of these OSA tools, socket holders, magnetic base. Got a core liner in here so they kind of stick magnetically where they ain't going to slide around. But at the same time, it's still easy enough to grab one out, take it over to the truck or a different work area or something if needed. And these are in the big drawer of the U.S. General bottom cabinet. Reason for the four colors, of course, black and blue are metric, and the red and green are standard. The green's going to be got the 12-point half-inch drive, 6-point half-inch drive, 12.38, 6.38, and don't really got much for 12-point quarter-inch drive sockets. They're all pretty much 6-point, but they came 3-pack or that, or you can get them individually one at a time or individual pieces, but it's cheaper to get the 3-pack. So Joe Smith might use some of these others for like your Torx or Allen sockets or something or other. And Joe Smith still ain't decided. He doesn't have a whole lot of like 12-point half-inch sockets, so he might use those for the impact sockets or something. It's just kind of still playing around with it here. But we'll show you what we used to have here. You can get these at Harbor Freight or off Amazon, but these were from Sears. But problem with them, sometimes the socket will stick and you end up ripping half of it out, or that, trying to get a socket out, and then you gotta take all the sockets out and redo it, and I mean, it's nice that they got the sizes in between there. You got 2 rows for 6-point, 12-point, and all that, but it just seems like there's a lot of wasted space. And Joe Smith trying combined drawers. See here, he doesn't have a whole lot of the 1-inch drive or half-inch drive sockets. Because don't really do much stuff that big. He's got Joe Smith's got impact sockets, so that big, but and then the smaller sizes here. But it just seems like there's a lot of wasted space in trying to get you where everything's closer together, and so got like 4 drawers here going to turn into one long drawer here with the new organization set. That way, got 4 drawers freed up to put other stuff in. Joe Smith had his air tools in that drawer, so 2 bottom drawers are probably going to get the air tools, and then you got some other stuff he's going to put in the other 2 drawers, some automotive tools. Okay, well, thanks for checking this out. Joe Smith will do an updated video when he gets them all moved and transferred, so you can see how it looks. Later, guys.